1 cup of farro to 2 cups of water. Estimate 1.5 tablespoons of basil, maybe 2 tablespoons of parsley, a dash of pepper, and we will pressure cook at 3 minutes. Now I'm adding my frozen shrimp, which are peeled and gutted. You bring it back to life with some more parsley, basil, and a touch of garlic on saute. I also added a tablespoon of butter and a pinch of salt to taste. And that is a very simple 1-pot dish of shrimp risotto. Like, follow, share, and visit thegypsymystic.com.